So the next stretch we're going to do to work on that overhead mobility is a prayer stretch. So we need our PVC pipe and our bench. We're going to start with palms up on the PVC pipe. Elbows are around, shoulder width apart, and the hands are at least in line with the elbows. We don't want them to travel too far inward. So at least in line with the elbows. We can go a little bit further out if you want to make it a little more intense, but at least in line with the elbows there. And then from here, there's two different ways we can kind of do this mobilization. One, we can have a little bit more of a rounding of our back as we drop towards the ground. So this will more focus on lats and lengthening out the lats there. So if that first exercise we did was a little more intense for you, a little more limited, this would be a good version for you to do. Awesome. And then another version we can do is if we let that back arch a little bit more and let that chest drop towards the ground. This is going to target more of that thoracic spine. Awesome. So really trying to focus on feeling more through the mid-back versus that lower back there. One way we can also make sure we don't get too much motion to the low back is just bringing the knees a little bit closer to the bench to help lock in that low back and lumbar spine. Awesome. And then we'll hang out here for about 1 or 2 minutes. Like Alan's doing here, you can kind of come in and out of it. You don't have to just hold it for that entire duration. So come in and out of it, change intensities of the stretch. You can also alternate between the two versions, play around with it for a little bit.